What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys, I got a crew out here insulating the house, and I'm going to show you guys some footage of them working and all that stuff. Now this may not be the same way you guys all insulate your house, or you might do this for a living. Ain't the same way. It's the same way we're doing it. They did a couple of my buddies' houses just like this, and they're very happy with it. What they're going to be doing is doing the spray-in insulation. They put all this around the house. Let me get some music over here so you hear me. They put this stuff up all around the house where they're gonna cut a hole in it, and then they'll blow it with this big hose. I'm gonna show you guys all this stuff. We did bats in the garage. See back here. Did bats in the garage, and they're gonna do it in the ceiling where the what's Gabby doing? They're gonna do it in the vaulted ceilings too, the bats. And then after the sheetrock guy comes this week, they'll come back and they'll do the R38 insulation in the attic, the blow-in. But I just want to show this to you guys. I talked to them. They said, yeah, you can film whenever you want. Right now they're having a little bit of trouble starting the machine. Something messed up on it, so they're trying to figure out how to get it going again. But these people are out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. So if you guys are watching my channel and you're in the Green Country area, Tulsa area, these guys are doing a great job, and you guys will see throughout the video. They spray every little hole with the foam spray before they did all this other stuff. I mean, they're really doing a great job. That's them. Yeah, so if you guys are looking for someone to insulate your house, give them a call. They'll give you a good price and get it done quick. They started this morning, and they're going to be done this afternoon sometime. It's pretty sweet. Things are moving along quick now. They always come to a halt real quick. We all know that in a house build. It's great. But yeah, stay with the video, and I'll show you guys how they did all this. Play a little music for you. You can hear the music in the background. I can't understand that. Maybe some of you guys can. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button for me if you would. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and click the little bell for notification. Hope you guys enjoy. So you all are about to see a little bit different insulation than what you guys might be seeing over at some other channels like Pure Living for Life, how they did their insulation. They did SIPs. That's how they pretty much built they dried in their whole house. And what that, from what I could tell, SIPs is just styrofoam. Looks like they might have done a foot thick. I don't know, but it gives a pretty good R rating from what I've been reading. But today I'm going to show you the kind of insulation that we did over here at Keeping It Dutch. It's completely different style of what they're doing over there. They're doing a great thing over there. I know a lot of you guys watch them, and so this house build is pretty much complete opposite of what they're doing. So insulation, to me, insulation, as long as it's keeping your house insulated, it's going to do the job. I'm sure there's better insulation than others. For instance, we did bats inside the garage and the ceiling right here. I'll take you in there into the living room. We did some inside the walls, inside the house itself. The interior walls for sound barrier. They did like R19 in there to keep the sound down in one of the two of the bedrooms. But yeah, I'll show you guys a completely different style of insulation than what they're doing over there at Pure Living for Life, because I know a lot of you guys follow them too, and a lot of you guys are following this channel, this build. Like I said before, it's two different builds, but I think a lot of you guys are liking the way I'm doing it too. So I wanted to make a video on them insulating it, and we did the spray-in insulation, not the spray-in foam. I could have done the spray-in foam. It was going to be quite a bit more money, and from the research I did on the spray insulation, it's really good stuff too. And you guys will see that it gets a tight seal around all the studs and everything. And I think I say later on in the video, I've had two friends that have done this to their house, and their electric bills are way cheap. I mean, like pushing $150 a month during the hot summer months. We're running AC, you know how they run it out here in Oklahoma. So this is a good stuff. And I know a lot of you guys may not have ever seen this before. I know I never even heard of it until I contacted this company. And I'm telling you, Alex and Carlos did a great job. Those two did the whole house by themselves. And I call them later on in the week, 2 weeks or so, and they're going to come finish the attic. So I'll probably show you, if I'm here when they do that, I'll try to show you guys that. This is actually one of the first times I'm here while they're actually doing something inside the house. I wasn't here for the electric really, or for the plumbing, but I was here for the installation. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll probably show you a little bit of clips here and there of it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. It might be a little bit longer one, I don't know yet, because I got quite a bit of footage. Maybe I can get it down within 10-12 minutes for you guys. That way you're not sitting here for 20 minutes watching people do insulation. But if it is, I hope you guys stay around and watch all of it. And at the end I'll be doing a little interview with Carlos. Not really, he's kind of shy. He's kind of just sitting back. But I talked to Carlos and Alex a little bit. So all right guys, hope you like the rest of the video. Hey, what's up, guys? We got Alex over here, and Carlos is hiding back there. Now, I think Alex is doing a little, or Carlos is doing a little cleanup. But you guys are out of Tulsa.
From Tulsa. Yeah.
They're from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and they do work all over
all the county.
All over the counties, all green country. So if you guys are watching this video and you're from my area, Northeast Oklahoma, Tulsa, I recommend these guys. They did a great job. They do. You can see. You'll see in the video. They work fast. They did it by themselves. It's like 110 degrees today. I didn't even see them take a break. I mean, they just went at it. So guys, go check them out. Yeah. And I got one of their cards. Carlos, let me see your cards. What you got there, Carlos?
Right there.
Upside down. Was it Eco Insulation?
ANC Eco Insulation. Yeah.
ECO Insulation. What do you guys think? You guys ready to go home?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tired.
We're tired for today.
They're done for the day. I got to call them in a few days. Whenever they get the sheetrock up, they're going to come back out and finish that part. So, hope you guys liked the video. Go check out. You got a website on there too, don't you?
Yeah.
I'll put their website down in the description below. Catch you guys on the next video.